We haven't vlogged since like forever.
So what happens is until Milwaukee New Year.
And we're halfway done with formations.
We're halfway done with formation, but we finished the song.
And we have one more practice.
And we don't have our
2 days till
yet.
competition. We're not done with our song.
We just got our hat.
We don't have a shirt.
Hi guys! It's the day of competition.
We take care of Shaniquas are here.
Shaniqua.
This is Shaniqua.
We brought her back.
Recognize her from our LeShoe dance from last year.
She made her return.
Yep. This is her comeback.
Yeah, we took her out of retirement.
She's back and she's ready to dance.
And this time she has eggs. And her legs are crossed.
She got eggs. Look.
Her babies came back with her this year.
Her legs are crossed.
Shaniqua.
She's classy this time.
Don't you see all her babies?
She has 12.
We are gonna practice now. Bye guys.
Guess what we're doing? Guess by this and this stuff.
Cut that out. My wand.
Oh, and her wand.
It matches.
This is our skirt. Pretty. Night before competition. And yeah, this is mine. This is my I don't know how to say that number and that word. But this is us. How you guys feeling?
Ito orange.
Oh yeah, like that. Yeah.
Ito orange. And then
I don't know where Angelina's is. Angelina's is over there, but she's holding the other one. So, how you feeling?
I feel nervous.
How you feeling?
I'm nervy.
How you feeling?
Good.
How you feeling?
I feel okay.
And this is I don't know, eggs.
I feel like this should be big for you.
There's 12 for each of us.
8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Around. Kick. Look. Look. What's the move? 5, 6, 7, 8. Around. Kick. Look. Look. Dip. Front. Up. Hard. Go X. Down. Around. Point. Back. Strong. Okay. Yes. Woo! Okay. Do it again.
Oh my god.
Let's go from the ready? Okay. Yep. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Go up. Step. Back. Front. Do it again. Make sure you guys are back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go up. Step. Back. Front. Do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go up. Step. Back. Front. Girl, say 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Around. Kick. Look. Look. Dip. Front. Up. Hard. X. Down. And point. Back. Strong. Woo. Okay. Good. Okay, let's go music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go roll, roll and kick. Out, side, side and up. Okay, continue. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go up, step, back, front. Go back. Make sure you guys pause here. Ready? 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Around, kick, side, side. Go dip, front, up, hard. Go X, down, around, point, back, strong. Okay, music. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go roll, roll, kick, front, side, side, up. Up, step, back, front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, Are the girls from C longer? Yeah, we can do like a little bit longer. Why, you guys still? Longer. Not that much. Really, girl. Not that much longer. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Can we take 2 steps though?
Yeah.
Have like a stopping point.
Okay, let's do a stopping point then. So let's go back.
And then step.
5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Easy. Out. 3.
Hi guys, welcome back to
3,
our
5,
channel.
9. 3.
Wow, yelled at us. But it's okay, we're back.
And then we're ready. Continue. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. You guys should be like this. Looking down. Yep. Okay, ready? Okay, ready? Now move. Yeah, 45. More body over here. Yep. Turn your leg more over there. Yep. Okay, ready? Continue. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, and 3, and hit. You guys should be there right here. Fix your diamond. Fix your triangle. You guys' triangle is too. Sarah, come up a little more. Yeah. Okay. Do it again. And then can you guys come in more? Yeah. Because middle should be between you and Jasmine. Okay. So come in. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. Okay. Wait. Okay. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, and 3, and hit. Make sure you guys look too.
Look to the side.
Look when you guys hit. Okay, you guys got that?
Yes.
Okay, and then from here, we're gonna move into a box. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, and hit. Sit. You guys make sure you guys hit right away. Just sit. Yep. So yeah, you guys got hit right away. Do it again. Do it again. Yeah. So you guys get that part. So here, you go that 1, 2, go hit. Sit. Go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. When you guys come. When you guys are here, right? 1, 2. When you guys come around like that, you guys should be up like that. Up and then sit. Yeah. Up and sit. You guys gotta like throw it up and sit. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2. Go up. No, you guys are doing it wrong. Like this. When you guys come here, right? Here. 1, 2. You guys go up and sit. So like we go like 1, 2, right? Around and then up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, and up. Do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, and up. Down. Okay. Do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, and up. Sit. Yeah. Make sure you guys go up like that. That was it.
Is it bent or straight?
I think just go straight to make it clean. Just go straight arm to make it clean. Okay, ready? Do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, and up. Sit. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, and hit. 1 and 2 and 3 and hit. Okay. Okay. Try music. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. Roll, and hit. Run, slide, and up. Go up, back, front. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4,
「 Go.